Hello, friends. Spirituality, Health, and Inner Values Academy welcomes you. Today, let's understand the nervous system. Nervous system is responsible for all our behaviors and thought processes. The autonomic nervous system, in particular, regulates the emotional behavior, other organs, and glands. It has two divisions, the sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. These two divisions are very different from one another, but they work in conjunction with each other. The sympathetic division is responsible for the fight or flight mechanism. Fight as in anger and flight as in fear. It helps the body to deal with the stressful situation. Hence the name sympathetic, that is sympathy with one's emotions. Stress may be caused due to frustrations, conflicts, or pressures from outside. In stress, the sympathetic division becomes very active and starts sending impulses very rapidly to defend the body. It also stimulates the adrenal gland to produce epinephrine and norepinephrine, which enhances the heart rate, blood sugar level, and increase the blood flow to the skeletal muscles to deal with the stress. So the body is stuck in danger response, and all sorts of physical and mental illness starts, like depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, cancer, skin disorders, etc. With prolonged stress, the hormones like epinephrine, norepinephrine, dopamine, serotonin, endorphins gets depleted, and deficiency of these causes different disorders. The activities of the sympathetic division are replaced with the parasympathetic division once the stress is over. The body returns to homeostasis, which is a state of stability and balance, and restores the body systems to normal functioning after arousal. All the body functions like heart rate, blood sugar, muscle tension, blood pressure all return to normal. The parasympathetic division also helps in repairing the body systems and restoring the energy that is burned by the sympathetic division. The arousal due to fear, anxiety, and other emotional stressful states can be subsided when one tries to relax. Various techniques for inducing relaxation are deep breathing, meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, etc. Other methods like self-hypnosis and visualization are also beneficial. The pineal gland in the brain, we can say, is the location of the soul, the consciousness. And the brain constantly rewires itself by forming new connections of neurons or nerve cells called the neural pathways. These connections become stronger with repeated use of the same neural pathways. So, when one experiences the original spiritual qualities of love, peace, happiness, and power, these connections and these neural pathways become stronger, and the parasympathetic nervous system gets activated, which keeps our body and body functions relaxed and balanced. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.